Alrighty, Jeffy, here's your 408 small block Ford. Your description is a combination. Got a set of our ass cast heads, Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller in it. Moroso rear sump oil pan. Mini J front end. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400, 502 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 514 foot-pounds. Peaks horsepower 476, rated at 450, so everything's good. It's got a front end on it, runs really well. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple other things. Received your engine. Find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. Highly recommend watch everything on. In your packet, you'll find this engine spec sheet. It'll have all the parameters you need to know, oil, things of that nature. Got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.